Like they want foot. All right, everybody. 2004 Navigator, Lincoln style. I'm about to beat it out, man. Woke up this morning to two blessings from my brother from another mother. Got my mama right there. She pulling in the Charger. Baby, what you think?
Man, it's a blessing right here. Like, you got so much love out here. It's crazy.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, did you show them the blue car you about to go get
Yeah,
to?
and then over here to the
Take
left.
a look at mama right here.
There go my, hey, mama. I'm doing all right. I thought I seen you earlier. I said, that's the mama right
How
there.
you
How you doing? Yeah, I forgot my purse. I went up with my sisters to take some pictures over there that we were.
He's vlogging. All right, y'all. I had to take the camera from here. This is my baby right here, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see that tag. Anyways, this what he finna get right here. This old 350Z. You know, y'all, my man is big, so. But I will be in that thing. Oh, y'all, and there's some speakers all in the inside of it. Let me get y'all a quick little view. We gonna be having 4 cars at the house. You know, we got the MC, a little paint job or something. Let me see if this door is unlocked. Okay, no, it's not unlocked. I don't know if y'all can see in there. It's real nice. Oh, let me see if I can see these speakers. Right there. They right up there, y'all. So yeah, it's only room for me and baby in this car. This is our little play car. We're gonna fix it up. We out here in Medicine Park. Out here somewhere close by Fort Sill, Oklahoma. This is with our family, y'all. We just kicking it, having a good little time. And I'm out here cold, y'all, but it's okay. Baby just got blessed with a real good car, y'all. SUV. That's a blessing. Look at him. Look at him, y'all.
Pizza sound good to you?
Pizza?
Or A?
Are you going, Mama?
Yeah.
Do you feel like going somewhere? If you don't, then we get pizza.
I gotta go to town anyway. That's what I'm going to town. But y'all can go to Ann's after 12 if you want to.
Okay, well, when you come back,
Or I can pick up a pizza, whatever y'all want.
She can pick up a pizza. That's
pick a
fine.
pizza, okay?
That'd probably be easier.
That
But y'all, look at baby's truck.
Yeah.
He probably gonna rip that Superman in this. Of course, he's gonna take this OU off because he's a Florida Gators fan. But just the fact that he got so much love from this guy right here, Danny. Man, he's super cool, y'all. He's so cool. This family right here, y'all. And it's got tinted windows. Look, let me get in here and show y'all. Looking nice. Yeah. Baby, you gave me that amp and you got this amp right here. And then it's a TV screen. So anyways, y'all know all our cars got speakers in them. And amps and 15s and all that. So I guess I'm gonna use this for my highs or lows or whatever. One amp gonna be on one 15 and the other amp is gonna be on the other 15. It's got this gonna be my highs right here. And then of course he got a TV screen to put in right there. Won't that fit it right perfect right there, baby?
Yeah, that's where it come from.
Oh, okay. So anyways, he gonna in the MC, if y'all don't know, it's a whole screen or whatever that flips out or whatever. And then just this little minor work, you know what I'm saying? Like, just to begin, just to have the love from your people. Look at that mirror, y'all. This mirror is so tight, y'all. Yeah, but this TV screen for the kids, they can put the PS4. It came with the PS2 in it, so I still got PS2 games, y'all. And it is what it is. Couple stuff in here, but look, y'all, just look at this amp. Just because, you hear me? Just because. You know how much love that is? This third row seating is where, of course, baby's gonna, of course, probably put 415s back there or something, because he got a 5500 watt amp. Then here's a 1200 watt amp. I know, and then he got a screen there, and he got a screen right here. He got a PlayStation. Y'all, we ain't doing the damn thing. We blessed. Let's just say that. We done came a long ways. And what you thinking, baby?
We're gonna get them charged up and get them ready to hit that road.
Yeah, we finna go ahead and get it charged up. Let me see you, baby.
The seat cover?
Yeah, when she gets back, I'll do
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it's definitely charged.
It's definitely charging.
Yeah.
Give it a nice charge.
Yeah, right there. Put it right on.
Right on the money.
Uh-huh. And then, when you, I bet when you put that radio back in, I bet you, see, Riri don't know how to hook a radio up.
If I was on that, I could
Yeah.
probably pull everything out.
Uh-huh.
The wire,
And rerun the wire.
Look, baby knows so much about cars, y'all.
Yeah. And then, but yeah, because everybody says, who hooked up the radio? And I say, Riri, they go like this. Just like you did. Roll your eyes.
Man, you know, he done blew so much of my stuff back in the day. Like, come
Yeah.
on, man.
Baby,
He did.
so that amp I got in the car, can I give you that, and then you give me that one at 1200 in the car?
Well, why would
You gonna
want
have
that?
you got 5500 already.
Why would you want that though? Like that amp's bigger than that.
My 3000.
Yeah. That's 1200.
Well, then can I use that on my highs or
That
something?
won't go in your house.
Can you put on my lows?
That's what you got the 700 for your high. You got factory speakers in there.
All right. So that's gonna be the best bet without having to get it as a battery.
Talk this over.
Listen.
Let's have.
All right. He said, "Let's have a meeting." Man, we out here in the country though. Here, baby.
Show them the cows.
Show them. Oh yeah, look, y'all. We wait out here with all this
They
land.
don't even have our name on the GPSs.
Where they at? Oh, back there.
Are they back there? Yeah.
That's a long walk, y'all. I'm about to zoom y'all in.
Zoom them in.
Hold on, I'm about to zoom in. I'm about to keep walking, but we gonna get over here. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let me zoom it out some. There's a couple of cows over there. Y'all, I'm so far back. There's some more somewhere. I don't know if they...
Yeah.
I don't know, y'all. Look at all this land.
Yeah, I got my buddy. My brother.
I'm a straight country.
That's all I need.
And all this is one house.
Well, what's his name gonna be mad?
Well, I told him I was going out and go pick up the truck.
Alright, y'all. This is just going to be a quick little vlog. We out here in Lawton right now, so... We're just going to get a couple of footages with y'all or whatever. Kind of take y'all with us today.
Mama gave that one to you, so.
Guess we'll catch you guys in a minute. We're about to go in here and chop it up and go figure out what we're finna eat.
Because we redoing everything.
Oh, you being sweet.
You know it. You have to excuse the house. Is she trying to get an amp out of you?
Yeah, see,
No, he gonna give me that amp.
He's gonna give you an amp.
Yeah, he gonna give me that amp.
she gonna have to take that.
Then he tell me one of those is for me.
It's one of them for you. One of them for you. It's
Look,
for you.
I got it.
You got
One of them is for me. Okay.
One of them is for you.
Okay.
I don't know which one.
It's okay. It could be anyone. Okay.
Or how he's gonna do it, but one of them for you.
Oh man.
Oh man.
All right, y'all. We'll be back
Y'all
with
ever
y'all in a
watch
minute.
this?
You change if you want to.
Huh?
Get this.
Get that.
Okay, so baby, you just got some.
They
What are those? Some
stretch.
J's?
It's some Jordan Futures.
Yeah,
Jordan Futures.
and they stretch.
He just constantly getting blessed with stuff. Let me see, baby. Oh, them look nice on. Oh, them.
And they fit.
Huh?
And they fit.
Oh, Lord. You can't tell them nothing. Let me see, baby. Kick that up. Turn it to the side. Yeah, them nice. Yeah. And then you got a little red, couple of red little, what's the name? What kind of shirts are they, baby?
Hustle gang.
Hustle Gang. Look, he already knew Hustle
Look,
Gang.
right here.
Hustle Gang with the sweet tea, with the J's. And then you got them on too, let me see.
Yeah, I made Kool-Aid last night. They said that.
Yeah, I
Tyler
forgot I
said,
got you those,
"This-
huh?
This is white people Kool-Aid.
What happened?
I made Kool-Aid last night, and my nephew said, "This is white people Kool-Aid."
What, did it have enough
It
sugar?
didn't have no sugar in it.
What the heck?
Get on water, man. I'm trying to tell you.
Look, and this is Jesse right here. Jesse. He likes to hop up on people.
Yeah, and Cole, he's in jail. We put him in jail.
Oh, he's the one that's just kind of over all over.
Funny acting. Yeah, he's the one that he was. When we had the bull terriers out here, that's when Chico.
Jesse.
That's why when his back hurt, because Chico grabbed him by the back. Yeah, but you said, what's his name making it work?
Yeah, that boy right there.
He would work in the backyard.
You can probably will.
Would kill him quick.
He might make it a